A brand new tool to help you better understand the coronavirus crisis in our state. It's a new COVID tracker. It was developed by researchers over at Florida Atlantic University.
CBS 12 News I-Team reporter Danielle Waugh explains why these data scientists felt there needed to be an alternative to the state COVID dashboard.
Download the data.
For PhD student John Taylor, this work is personal.
My grandmother is a shut-in. She's 92 years old and lives in Clewiston. Her sister is in a long-term care facility. They're scared to death.
He says his family and all Floridians need facts, not fear. And that's why he teamed up with FAU finance professor Dr. Rebel Cole to create this new COVID tracker.
A lot of the existing COVID trackers don't really present the information in a coherent and comprehensive manner. So we think we're filling that niche.
They're using the same Department of Health data that the state dashboard does, but they present key metrics in different ways. And oftentimes the numbers look better. For example, they take COVID deaths and put them on a graph based on the actual day a person died, not the day that the state found out about it. The date of death graph shows that Florida has never had a day with more than 101 COVID deaths.
If you look at the charts that other people are doing using the death by date of data dump, it shows a huge rise in deaths in Florida that seem to corroborate the rise in cases. When in fact, if you look at the real numbers, the rise has been much less dramatic and not at all in keeping with the skyrocketing number of cases.
For hospital beds, the FAU tracker shows how many are COVID cases. They also present ICU capacity trends over time. And they point out, despite a recent surge in positive cases, the ICU capacity across the state has remained relatively stable.
There's no indication that our health system is overwhelmed.
One of the features they're most proud of, beside each graph, you can click and download the data for yourself, something that you cannot do on the state coronavirus dashboard. To view the new FAU tracker, you can visit CBS12.com and click on the coronavirus tab. Danielle Waugh, CBS 12 News.